Alright boys, so once again this is another stream highlight, so if you want to pull up to them then they literally just happen on this channel, and that's why all this stuff is down here. But yeah, this is just a quick win on Naz, bro. Literally 2 candles, hit my TP, just thought I'd make a highlight out of it, why not? Yeah, I literally went 3-0 this week, can't complain, dubs all over. To be honest, supply and demand didn't really hit that much this week, but caught one on Friday, and it was beautiful. This was absolutely beautiful. So anyway, let me just get into the trade, man. Naz coming down, GU coming down. Are you looking to buy GU? Potentially. I'm not going to say yes. Potentially. We will see. Yeah, Naz is just a less nice version of GU pretty much. I prefer the bottom zone if I'm honest. That's just a bigger retracement for it to go from. Probably go for a little longer. What are you going to do, GU? Because once again, only taken breaker candle entries. I'm doing good this week. Got no reason to try and go for crazy high RRs. Just trying to get a win. Be 3-0 this week. That'd be pretty nice. Those rejections were nice as well, so that's crazy. Okay, we have tapped. Also inside the zone on Naz. Got double subs. One of them must hold, right? Give me a nice break of candle entry, why don't you? Consolidate right here and give me the entry I deserve. I might just do whatever breaks candle first, and that's probably gonna be Naz. I like taking buys on Naz because Naz is just a bullish instrument. That's the thing. Bro, spread has been this week. Hello? Okay, I'm in on Naz. I don't really expect to go on Naz. Bro, spread is shocking. Like, what was that? Holy. I can't. Oh man, I feel like I've been disrespected. I've been utterly destroyed by the markets this week in terms of spread. I could be up an extra %. You just ain't rejecting like that. Naz is rejecting like that. So this push-up is fucking crazy though. Honestly, it's scaring me as an exhaustion kind of. Oh yeah, fucking New York Open, innit? I actually didn't clock, I'm not gonna lie. I forgot about that. Okay, I need to not get greedy because this is literally, I'm 2-0 this week. Might as well just let me get a little bit greedy. Go for Sequity, maybe. I hopped on GU. I'm waiting for GU. Everybody waiting on GU. Okay, let's reject a nice as well. Naz just had that beautiful rejection I was looking for, so I just decided to get in on Naz last second, not gonna lie. Alright, take me to my TP. Take me to my TP. Just take me. Just take me there. Take me there. Take me there. Just take me there. Hands are away. Hands are away. Hands are not here. I don't have a reason to get out. Literally, why would I get out right now? I have no reason. And that's TP. Okay. Wow. Had no reason to get out. What did I say? I took it a little bit higher, I'm not gonna lie. I took it about for a 1 to 1.5. Naz was the move. Supply and demand actually hit this week. Finally. Wow. In 2 candles. 2 candles. W's in chat. Flawless week. Flawless week. Feel me? Would have took Naz if it broke that high swing to the left. Yeah, that would have been nicer, but honestly, just the way it was rejecting was so beautiful. GU looking like it's about to hit as well. Hey, once again, I'm back with a breakdown, but I'm gonna speedrun this. So basically, this was just a break of structure. I wasn't too confident in the trend, to be honest. These kind of areas are kind of weird, and we didn't break this major high, which is why I actually preferred the GU setup. We broke this major high right here, and this actually ended up barely going for a 1-to-1, and then just skyrocketing down and shooting stop loss. But I only got in on Naz because of the rejection it gave at the zone. This wasn't New York Open, a little bit risky, but I still got on a break of candle with momentum, and yeah, it was just a fat dub, bro. Literally 2 candles hit my TP. We had the break of structure above the 200 EMA, going with trend realistically, but like we're kind of consolidating around here, which usually I don't use supply and demand in those areas, but it was trending enough to where I could use it. And this is just a high probability demand zone. Tapped in, literally slightly tapped in, which is nice, and then just rejected really hard. And overall, it was just a beautiful trade, man. But yeah, let's get it. 3-0 this week. Also took 1 break even, so 3, 1 and 0. But we didn't take a loss. 3 wins, 1 break even. That is beautiful. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, join the Discord, and subscribe. And like and comment if you want to really like do the most. That'd be sick. But yeah, I'll see you boys next time. Join the streams, watch the videos. Love you all. This week was sick. Peace.